Now that we're getting into the light of the day, we can see the scope of our cloudiness out here. And yes, we have a lot of them. And in some places, they're sitting on the ground. We've got some patchy fog out here as well. Where we're finding it actually cut into visibility is along south coastal areas. But to be honest with you, these have been improving all morning long, so we have that trend to look forward to. So even though visibilities are down, they're not down low enough to impact early road travel, and fog is mainly located in valleys and also along the south coast. Our temperatures are oddly warm. We typically would start in the 30s. That's where our average low lives, but we are starting at 60 in New Bedford. We're at 61 in Smithfield. We have 56 in Providence, and these temperatures are rising even pre-dawn. And that's because we're working in some warmer air from the southwest. Winds are generally light to calm. And as we go through the day today, we are going to see a key flip in our wind direction. It will become northwesterly as a whole new air mass moves in to take charge. Right now, we are literally on the heels of a front that is not quite finished with us yet. As a result, the clouds are here, but the bulk of the precipitation associated with that front is here. It's to our south. So the front has essentially almost completed its journey. It's when it does complete its journey that we'll have high pressure here sort of pressed down on the front. And that's where we're going to find a change in our wind direction. We'll start to bring in air from the northwest, and we'll get rid of a lot of this cloudiness too. As we increase the sunshine for the afternoon, we are expecting temperatures to respond to that really nicely, popping up into the mid-60s. High pressure leaves tomorrow morning. There's a chance of showers, but tomorrow afternoon we get into it. We're bringing in another warm front. So even though Saturday's temperatures will be topping out in the 40s, they will be cooler. That warm front means that warmer air will be in place for your Sunday. So Sunday is actually going to be a warmer day with temperatures topping out near 60. But then it's going to be followed by this cool front that's going to cool things down for Monday. So this is the temperature roller coaster that we seem to have been stuck on for some time now, and it will be continuing through the upcoming weekend. So how much rain are these fronts going to deliver? Well, generally between half an inch and an inch is a pretty safe bet. We will have some pockets of lower totals. Meanwhile, in the interior, we'll likely see a little bit more. We have a slight chance of picking up a thunderstorm too overnight Saturday into early Sunday. So if that happens, these totals will be a little bit higher too, with any areas of heavy rain that may develop. So unsettled is our trend, not only through the weekend, but beyond. In fact, our next fully sunny day doesn't look like it'll be until the middle of next week. But for today, clearing to sun. It's going to be a slow process. A lot of clouds will hang with us right through the morning. But this evening, it should actually be pretty pleasant, and it's going to be warmer than average at about 65. Overnight tonight, we're expecting partly cloudy skies, lows that are going to drop to about 40 degrees. 41 is your anticipated low, and northeasterly wind at 5 to 10. Now, unsettled is, yes, the next 4 days, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. Wednesday is going to be a nice day, but it will be running about 5 degrees cooler than average. It's not until Thursday where we see temperatures come up to more seasonable levels. Kara?